Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to draw this sketch exercise in SolidWorks, and we will apply the relations and dimensions. And before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have the SolidWorks open. For creating a new part, just click on new part, okay? And now we have a new part. For drawing a sketch, you have to choose a plane, and in SolidWorks we have three planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane, or we can create plane in the SolidWorks. And I will tell you what's the use of these planes, but for now just click on the front plane and click on a sketch. Now our sketch is open, and we can start drawing our sketch. This is very easy. First thing first, for drawing this sketch is to start with the origin point. So at first I draw these three circles. Here I choose circle and I draw a circle here. And right click, select to exit the tool. And here we have a center line. So I choose center line here and I draw a center line. Right click, select. If you can't see the relations, these green symbols here, just come in hide and show items, and you can turn on or turn off the sketch relations or the dimensions. So be careful about these things. And the center of the center line must be coincident to the origin point. So right click on the center point and here choose select midpoint. Then hold the control button on your keyboard and choose the origin point. And in add relation, choose coincident. Now the center of the center line is merged to the origin point. Now we have to draw two circles at the end of the center line. So here I choose circle and I draw these two circles, and here right click, select, and hold the control button and choose these two circles and give it equal relation because they have both the same dimension. Now we have to give the dimension. Choose a smart dimension, and the dimension of this circle here is 11 millimeter, and the dimension of this circle here is 4 millimeter. You can see the color of the circle here changed to black. It means that the circle here is fully defined, but these two circles are still underdefined because they are moving. So for making it fully defined, I can just give it a dimension. The dimension of these two circles is 33 millimeter. Now you can see it is fully defined, here is fully defined, and everything is here is black, and my sketch is fixed, but I have to keep drawing the sketch to make it complete. So here we have two arcs. So here I choose arc. I mostly use 3-point arc. So you can use other type of the arc, but I mostly use 3-point arc. And here I draw an arc, and I draw an arc here. So the center of the arc must be merged to the center of the circle here. So we can give it a relation. Simple relation, concentric relation. So I hold the control button and I choose this arc here and the circle here, and I give it a concentric relation to make the center of these two entities merged. So I do the same thing here, concentric relation, and you can just hold the control button and choose these two entities. Now we have to give the radius. The radius of the arc is 5.5 millimeter, and the point here and here must be horizontal, and we have to do the same thing here. The point here and here must be horizontal. Now we have to draw a line and draw a line here, and we have to do the same thing here. Draw two lines like this. And the lines must be tangents to their arc. So I hold the control button and I choose this line and the arc here, and I give it tangent relation. And I do the same thing here, tangent relation. So please follow along me and do it yourself. You must practice to learn how to work with the relations. So if you don't practice, you won't be able to draw the sketch or design any model. And the lines all have the same dimension. So for doing that, hold the control button and choose these 4 lines, and in add relation give it equal relation. Equal relation here. In add relation, equal relation. Now they have the same dimension. And all we have to do is just draw an arc here and draw an arc here. And we have to again make these 2 arcs tangent to these lines. So I may give it tangent relation, and I do the same thing here, tangent relation, and here tangent relation. Now we have to give the arc a radius. The radius of this arc is 12.5 millimeter, and this arc must be equal to the arc here, so they have both the same radius. Now it's okay. And all you have to do is just make the center of these 2 arcs coincident to the origin point. So I hold the control button and I choose this point and the point here, and I give it merge relation. So the points can't be merged, so I hold the control button and I choose this point and the point here, and I give it coincident relation. So let me see what's the problem. Here said I can't give it a coincident relation. Let me find out what's the problem here. So you can see my sketch has a problem and I can't give a coincident relation to this center line. So here offers me some suggestion to find out what relation is extra. So let me see, here said the concentric relation. No, I need it. So let me see. I think I should hold the Ctrl Z, and I should move the sketch a little bit to find out what's the problem exactly. So here these 2 points merge. Yes, now these 2 points are merged, and my sketch is still okay. Hold the control button and choose the arc here and here and give it equal relation. Okay, now we can see the sketch is fully fine, and everything is black, and my sketch is fixed, and I can't move my sketch. And all we did is just we added merge relation here. I merged the center of these 2 arcs here. Please practice at home and do it yourself, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. And thanks for watching this video.